Does it have a face? Continued. We're all different. So, what does classifying organisms have to do with life cycles? Organisms are often classified into groups depending on their particular life cycles. All organisms share the same basic stages. Oh, look, there are 4. Birth, growth, adult life, and death. But the way they go through those stages is often very, very different. Consider these different life cycles. Stage, birth. For a frog, this looks like begins life inside an egg. Human begins life inside their mother. Oak tree begins life inside an acorn. The youth stage for a frog swims around underwater as a tadpole. For a human, develops from a baby to a toddler to a child. For an oak tree, grows as a small green seedling. The adult life stage for a frog transforms into a frog that lives on land. For a human, stops growing after around 18 years. For an oak tree, grows bark and keeps growing larger each year. Now I would like for you to answer this question. What are the 4 basic stages all living things share? Hint, the first letters for the 4 stages are B, G, A, and D. I'm looking for 4 stages that all organisms share. B, G, A, D.